Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to fix the failed to fetch data error in World app. First, check your internet connection. The error often happens when the app can't reach the servers. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. The official support docs say a stable connection is essential for the app to load properly. Next, clear the app's cache or reinstall it. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, World App, Storage, then Clear Cache. If that doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall from the official store. Reducing stored junk often resolves data fetch errors. Then check if there's server downtime. Sometimes the failed to fetch data message appears because the service is overloaded or paused for maintenance. In past cases, Worldcoin acknowledged this via their support channels. Lastly, turn off VPN and disable secondary SIM if applicable. The World App support docs recommend disabling VPNs or secondary SIM cards on dual SIM devices because they can interfere with the connection. And that's it. These steps will cover most cases of the failed to fetch data error in the World App. If the problem persists, wait a few hours and check official status for updates. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.